Welcome back everyone to the channel. D-Man here. Today is another day. Scratch off. This time we're going to be using a handmade. Oh, wait, before you even say it, is that truly a handmade? Well, go check it out for yourself. I got plenty of videos. Made this thing by hand. Angle grinder, drills, no CNCs, no mill, no water jet. So check that out for yourself. How'd you cut out that frame lock? Well, I used a hacksaw, and a Dremel tool. So shout out to those tools. Anyways, enough of that. Yeah, this is the Skeletor. By the way, if anyone's interested in this type of design, hit me up. You know where I'm at. Full time at Full Throttle. Yeah, enough of that. Let's get into the ticket. Sometimes I gotta advertise myself here, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Alright, so the winning numbers are 10, 19, 17, and 22. Before we go any further, just want to give you a heads up. This is the exact ticket and exact number 14 where I won big. Obviously it's not this one, but similar. Different stores. But hopefully we have a lucky 13 somewhere around here. Alright, so let's do this. First one, 14, 21, 25, 11, 8, 18, 24, 9, 16, 6, 1, 15. Well, it's a loser. Damn, I was close. I was really wishing it was going to be a winner, but let's double check. 10, 19, nothing. 17, 22. It's not a winner. Alright, let me clean this off. Alright, so as you can see, it's not a winner. So what do we do with losers?
Yeah, man, I just burn fire upon the wicked enough.
Right. Oh yeah. Here at the DMKusa shop, we use every knife that we make or we purchase. That's how it goes around here. Nothing stays in the showcase without being utilized. So with that being said, thank you to all the new subs. Shout out to my old subs, especially the DMKusa crew. Shout out to everyone rocking out with me over on Instagram. That's where I'm at. Full time at Full Throttle. Oh, I almost forgot. Another special shout out to all the woodpeckers out there. You know who you are as well. Thanks again. I'm out of here. Cheers.